Hey guys, we are probably at one of the last stops. We gotta charge the Tesla, but this liquor store is nearby. So decided to stop by. It's called Classic Liquors over here in Huntington, West Virginia. Alrighty. Go straight to the Bourbon section. Got some store picks up here. Old Forester and Jefferson's Reserve. Check this out. This is a nice warehouse with a high floor. 130.1 proof. 29. And I got a Jefferson's Reserve store pick here. Never tried any of these store picks from Jefferson's. You guys, I've tried a couple, but I like the Twin Oak out of those expressions. If you take a look, they have a Four Roses store pick as well for 104. This guy comes in at, what is that? A little under 120 proof. And it's OESV. If you guys are driving through. All right, let's check out the bourbon section. I'm gonna run through and just try to find things that are a little different. You know, I see this bunch. I haven't tried the rare breed rye. Have you guys? I have the rare breed at home and the non-chill filtered from Europe, but not that one. Got some benchmark here. These are good values, guys. If you're looking for adding to your collection, you're just starting off, that's the first thing we started picking up. This New Riff single barrel, it's pretty good. You know, I hear good things about this Rossville Union. Straight rye. This is a barrel proof, 112.6 proof. Who there has tried this one? Let me know. I'm thinking about it, but I need some recommendations. Penelope. Look at all this Westford. It's nice. All right, check it out. This double oak for $85. That's a good price. Right? I think that's a good deal. I believe I paid maybe $90 or $100 for mine. Good one. Smooth Ambler. Oh. I've not seen this one. ONW. Straight bourbon. 92 proof. Lockbox. 38.19. Okay. Pendleton. It's midnight whiskey. What's that? 90 proof. Yeah. Full-bodied flavor. I double check this, not Coy Hill. All right. Pretty much standard fare there, but these guys have a really nice cabinet. So let's check that out. Got more of the Jefferson's lineup here. Got Twin Oak for $84.69. It's not too bad. Jacob's Pardon, $199. That's the going price. 18-year. I really want to get a bottle. I need to go on sale. I don't know what I'll pay for it. $200's a lot. It's a Whistle Pig, Wild Turkey. That's Tyrone G, maybe. Jack Daniels, twice barreled. That's the American malt, $2.99. Old Ezra and Lux Row. Got some Orphan barrel here. And some Knob 12 and 18. All right. We've got Four Roses 2024 limited edition and Remus Repeal 8. Kentucky Owl, got Yellowstone, Ellie. I got some 149 there. Sorry for the glare here, but they got JD 12 and 10. That Jack Daniel's 12 is a batch 1 though. And that JD 10 is a batch 3. Angel's Envy, 2XO, Gem, Elijah Craig, some Green to Glass here, and Blood Oath, 10. Booker's Little Book Infinite, some Boss Hog, Larceny Barrel Proof, that's 524 there. And more of the Old Forester. Then we have, oh, check it out. We have this Penelope single barrel, the Estate Collection 10-year. It's at 319. The American Light Whiskey, we just cracked that. It's pretty good. Is that the 15-year? Yeah, it's 15-year. They got Valencia, some Widow Jane, and some Old Fitz, 11-year. That's 8-year, huh? Oh, that 8 years from 2023, and they have the 10-year, sorry, from 2024, and a Baker 7. All right. That was a really nice cabinet there. Let's have a quick pan of the store. All right. Super nice ladies and one gentleman in there. Whew, the snow pelted me in the eye. Ah, I'm getting attacked. All right, that's a wrap, guys. Classic Liquors. If you're in West Virginia, if you really need any of that stuff, they have it. If you're hunting for it, a little more than I can afford. So hard pass for me. Actually, not that hard. We spent too much money at that last distillery. It was an expensive bottle. At least I thought so. But I needed to get it for you guys to compare. So look forward to that. Hey, like, subscribe, turn on notifications. He's tired. It's been a long day. Appreciate you. You guys have a good night. Cheers.